In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sections in Microsoft PowerPoint. Sections are a simple, powerful way to organize long slide decks, keep related content together, and make editing a lot less overwhelming. Whether you're prepping a team update or a lecture, grouping slides into sections gives you structure and control. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you want to organize. This process works the same on both Windows and Mac. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the slide thumbnail panel. That's the space where you'll create and manage sections. Choose the slide where you want a new section to begin, right-click that slide, and select Add Section. PowerPoint instantly inserts a section above the selected slide, and you'll notice a bold section header appear in the left panel. Think of this as a divider that marks the start of a new chapter. Next, give the section a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance. Right-click the section title, choose Rename Section, type a name that describes the group of slides, and press Enter. Names like Introduction, Q2 Results, or Demo Prep make it obvious what lives inside each section and make collaboration easier. If you need to reorganize, you have two options. To move individual slides between sections, click and drag a slide thumbnail to its new home. To move an entire block of content, drag the section header itself up or down the panel. As you drag, watch for the position indicator so you land exactly where you intend. When your deck gets busy, reduce visual clutter by collapsing sections. Click the small arrow to the left of a section name to hide its slides. This doesn't delete anything. It simply tucks that content away so you can focus on another part of the presentation. Click the arrow again to expand when you're ready. If a section no longer makes sense, remove it by right-clicking the section header and choosing Remove Section. PowerPoint will ask whether you want to remove just the section divider or delete the section and all its slides. Choose carefully here. Removing slides is permanent unless you immediately undo. Sections shine in long presentations, team projects, and any scenario where you want to rearrange content quickly without losing track of your ideas. And that's how you use sections in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.